Hi friends, I'm Parvez, and in this video I'm going to introduce my first course on Python GUI development with PyQt6 and Qt Designer in Udemy. So this is about 13 hours training course, and I have added the link in the video description. If you're interested, you can buy that with a coupon code. You can just check the video description, and there are different parts that that are covered in this course. It's about 13 hours training course, and you can see that we have introduction, installation, widget section. We are learning about different widgets in PyQt6 and also building simple notepad application, database handling, to do graphics and drawing, working with QtQuick and QML, and also creating different charts in PyQt6, and also building a simple library management system. And at the end we are going to talk about Qt multimedia and also packaging PyQt applications. So I have added the link of this course in the video description. If you're interested, you can just buy this course.